Welcome back. Welcome back, y'all. Hey everybody, I'm Mari with FiftyFlowers, and today we're gonna be working with our new DIY kit, Aura Indigo. Such a vibe. Super excited, follow along, see what we make for this wedding style shoot. Processing is super easy. All you have to do is whenever you get your blooms, just make sure you give them a 1-inch cut at the bottom of the stem, add in your water, add in your flower food, and let them hydrate for at least 4 hours before you start working on it. So everything's already had like a full day to hydrate that we have here, but I do want to finish off stripping the roses. As you're stripping your roses, use a floral stripper. Floral strippers come in different sizes, different shapes, cleans off your stems. Especially with roses, they have thorns, so we want to make sure we just get all of that off in one go. We're going to be making a centerpiece. We have this beautiful gold compote. We're going to be using chicken wire today. Just cut off enough to where it's like, you see how like there's overage, because we're just gonna kind of bunch it up inside. Now for extra security, we're gonna go ahead and tape it down. We're gonna add some water and start designing. I want to start off with our linears, kind of build out to see how far we want to go with this. So let's start off with some of this beautiful delphinium. Gorgeous. You want to measure twice and cut once? Yeah.